All right, I'm up. In today's video, I am going to show you how to de-crunchify your hair in the morning. Now, to be completely trill with you guys, I actually wear my hair like this in real life. So sometimes I wake up and I don't always de-crunchify my hair. I actually like the shape of it. I mean, kind of looks cool to me. So I literally walk out of the house looking like this. I might fluff it out in the back if it's squished down, but pretty much I like when my fro has angles. So I will rock this, but a lot of you guys ask me how to de-crunchify your hair and get it back snapping after you wake up with a smushed head. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So much energy, so sleepy. Let's get on with it. So the number one thing you are going to need is a spray bottle. That's key to anything when it comes to coarse, kinky hair. You're gonna need to, you're a chia pet. I don't know how many times I gotta say this. You are a chia pet, all right? So you need to spritz your hair every day in order for it to grow. Now, I know a lot of people think that's crazy, but at the end of the day, you need to wash your face every day so you can moisturize it. It's the same thing with your hair, same concept. So you can wet it as much as you like. Since my hair is on the coarse side of the texture thingy-mabobber, I like to douse my hair in a lot of water. So I'm gonna keep it at a medium right now because I did film this video like 2 days ago when my hair was in a bigger fro. Now it has shrunk down. So the style that I'm going to do for you guys requires a smidge of length. So I'm not gonna douse it too much so it doesn't shrink up. But I am, I put this right here, going to wet it up so I can basically fluff everything out without a fear of a snap, okay? All right, so the number one product that every type 4 needs, and honestly, every hair care brand needs to have this for us, okay? This is how I know hair companies don't really be rooting for the kinky coarse side, because this the one product that dag near we might need more than conditioner. A hair softener, okay? Every coarse type 4 needs this, a hair softener, not a hair lotion, not milk, not a smoothie, a softener. Just put it on the label. Like, just be real, okay? I don't need a smoothie. I don't need anything like that. I need a hair softener. Now, the Main Choice has one. Lately, I've been using I've been using CurlMix's hair softener with the flaxseed gel. You can use all natural ones. You can use aloe vera gel. You can use flaxseed gel. Whatever you want to use, just use a hair softener, okay? That is what's going to change your de-crunchify method. I don't know if you can see this. Am I running out? So like I was saying, you need something that is kind of snotty and gel-likey, but isn't really gel. Because this, even on CurlMix, it will tell you that these are flaxseed gels or whatever. But honestly, they really are hair softeners. They don't really hold anything for me. They just soften my hair. So, take some of that. And then I squeegee it through my hair. Hair softeners, honestly, are the answers to you guys' problems with moisturization. A lot of you guys moisturize on wash day, wake up the next morning, and your hair is completely dry and you don't know what to do. Honestly, this simple little step softens my hair right back up from being super, super coarse. And then I'm on my way to styling. Now, keep in mind, when you are a coarser texture, you will maintain a bit of a brittle feeling, okay? I don't think people keep that in mind either. If you have a silkier hair texture, your massive fro might always feel soft, and then when you moisturize it, it feels amazingly soft. Well, when you're a coarser texture, your hair always maintains a bit of coarseness, okay? That doesn't really ever go away. But you will know when your hair is truly coarse to where something's wrong and you're not moisturizing correctly, versus being coarse and actually having your hair moisturized to where it's not snapping off, it's very strong, it's very healthy. What you're going to do next, because we are doing a high poof, you are going to want to break out your edge control. Okay, mine is this little donut. I don't know why I like this guy so much, but I'm using that donut and this very thick brush that I'm sure all of you guys have seen at your beauty supply store. I highly suggest you pick it up because it makes doing your edges a lot more easy. Now, I'm going to do my edges off camera, but just to let you know, if you don't do your edges, still do your hairline, okay? I know a lot of us think that edges are the end all be all, but no. I really don't have a lot of edges. I really have a lot of broken off hair and a massively thick hairline. So, when I do my edges, it's little swoopy swoops of some broken off hair. My hairline is super, super thick, and it's very blunt across the top. So you never know what you're working with until you start getting creative. So start doing your hairline, okay? Just start. Trust me, don't worry about swoopies. Just worry about your hairline, and I'm sure you will see a difference, okay? Be right back. Now, once your edges are done, for you guys doing the swoops, okay, make sure you swoop your hair into the hairline and then you swoop your hairline back, or you brush your hairline back, because I have a bad habit of just doing the swoops and not doing my hairline. You must swoop everything into the hairline and then swoop the hairline back into the hair for one cohesive swoopage look. Okay, for you guys with hairlines, it is important that you swoop every single strand, every single stray hair into your hairline. Trust me, if your hairline is broken off, still do it, because you are going to put a bandana or something around it and that will melt all of the little stray hairs and everything away. So trust me, okay? Now, if you're wondering what this is, I put like edge control in the back of my hand. That way it's a lot more quicker for me to get out. But I'm gonna leave it on there because doing your hairline first and doing your edges first makes it where when you go to swoop why am I saying that so much? Comment down below how many times you think I've said swoop. Once you go to put your hair into the high poof, you will drag a lot of your edges into the high poof. So when you actually go to do them afterwards, you will be like yanking on hair from the ponytail in order to accomplish your edges. So if you just do them first, they will already be outside of the ponytail. So then if you need to go back and redo them, you're not messing with the smoothness of your sides, if that makes sense. But I'll be showing you anyways. I'm going to be taking some edge control. Eco styler. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is what happens when I wake up and try and do videos early. Okay? Your girl is not a morning person. But I will just be putting some eco on the sides of my hair. Oh gosh, no. Now while you're back here, I highly recommend pulling the hair up. And it's, you know, for me, I just ended up sitting here way past the amount of time that I really had to be sitting with my hair wet. And it has drawn up a lot. And you'll be taking a brush and brushing all of that up, so we can get ready to ponytail this guy. Now usually I use my wave brush, but I lost it. That is like the one thing that I can't find. So make sure you're using a soft bristle wave brush for your natural hair. Okay, trust me. Alright, so once you have done that, you're going to want to get one of those massive rubber bands. Not the ones that have the rolly, like it's like a rolly cloth that rolls into itself. Do not buy these, okay? This has ripped out a lot of my hair. My hair gets rolled into the ponytail holder and it destroys everything. Like, matter of fact, it might even be difficult for me to get my hair in a ponytail on camera with this kind of rubber band because it's so destructive. So whatever you do, never buy these from Walmart. But what you are going to do is take the rubber band, put it around your neck. Now what I like to do is to tie it like kind of really tight. If you can see, can you see that? Like that's pretty damn tight. I like to tie it really tight and then try and get it over my massive head. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup. And then put your thumb right there, and then you're gonna start to lift it. You may see me struggle, but yeah, it's the morning time. I'm on camera. Things are just gonna get weird. But I'll put it right there. Is it above my ear on this one? Okay, yeah. Then we will start the lifting process. You will go into the back of your hair. This is what the back of my hair looks like. It's really nothing special, but you will lift in the back. Now you can stop right here, but once you turn full frontal, right? Yeah, once you turn fully front, I don't like that mushroom look. Like, I don't like the hair falling over the sides. I feel like that's so played out. Maybe because I've been natural for 7 years and I've actually worn the little mushroom style for so long. I really don't like the hair hanging off the side. So I like to make sure that I push my sides in. Now, I know we're always so eager to show off our length, but I'm more eager to have like a pony or a bunny tail appearance than I am that massive poof on top of my head with the sides spilling over. So, just going to drag that inward. And now we haven't really tied anything down right here. And this is where this gets really dangerous. Okay, guys? Like real dangerous. Now, once you undo all of the knots and you kind of have your fro just kind of hold in there, I still like to go a bit higher in the back. Just because I think it's a more sexier look for some reason. So the higher I go, the more I tuck my sides in. And make sure when you go to tie your knot that you don't have any hairs in the way. Because those will definitely be hairs in the crossbar that will rip out once you tie this knot. I'm kind of liking the way this one looks. So let me just pull out some of my hair so I know for surezies. So now you're going to push back all of that hair. See, I already have some hair stuck in the crossbars right here. You will not get me today, Satan. Now you're going to carefully, even look up if you have to make sure you are not tying any of your fro into that knot. Like, if you have anybody that can help you tie that knot, I definitely would. Like, somebody to hold your fro back while you tie it. And then I like to go around the back just so it's not so much pressure on the front. And then tie that second knot. Same thing, make sure there are no hairs in the crossfire. Alright, so this is what the full pony is looking like. I don't have any, not pony, but bunny. I don't have any, well, do I? Yeah, I don't have any tugging hairs anymore. I have a slight tug from the ponytail being tight. But that's about it, okay? I'm gonna go do my makeup. I kind of refreshed some of my edges. It's all good though, it's all good though. Now, you can go ahead and put a scarf on. However, I can't find my scarf. So, you can put a scarf on and it will melt your sides, your edges, all your loose strands into place. And you will be looking gorgeous. But I'll be right back, like right now. So let's unveil it. Did I not? Yeah, okay, I'll be right back. See, when you got a big forehead and you just be thinking, I'm going to do my makeup with a scarf on. Yeah, and just don't always, you know. So if you're trying to get this exact poof, you're really going to want to cinch in your sides. Bring that back up just a little bit higher so you can get that cute little round, you know, thing right here, skull. Show off more of your skull. That's what I'm talking about. De-crunchifying your hair literally only takes 5 minutes. It's really not that big of a deal when you accept that you're gonna have to add some moisture back into your hair. And if you have a hair softener like the CurlMix one, I will leave all of that information in the description box below about the CurlMix product that I use. It is an affiliate link, so it'll help me out if you use it. But y'all, those two things, a hair softener and water, de-crunchify your hair in under 5 minutes. Now, if you're wearing a twist out or a braid out and you're trying to figure out how you can wake up in the morning and preserve it, I can preserve mine for maybe about 2 days. But after 2 days, I start phasing into other hairstyles. So on my second or third day, I will start to pick out my hair into a massive fro. After wearing a massive fro for 2 days, then I'll go in and I'll start with my high poof. So I phase out hairstyles. And for each and every hairstyle that I do, in that morning, I de-crunchify with water and a hair softener. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I mean, definitely smash that like button. I feel like this was a pretty daggone good video. You know, I feel like this was a heavy hitter tip that you guys want to know. And you know, tell your friends about your girl. I mean, come on now. Help me out. And click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Look, I know you couldn't see all of the bun, and that's okay. That's okay. I'll tilt to the side for you guys, but right here I'll leave another video, so definitely click on whatever video I leave up here, because I mean, come on, I know you want to see more of my face. I know you do. So go ahead and just click on one of these videos.